Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll share my favorite shortcuts for navigating and working with emails in Gmail. Let's get straight into it. A recent survey found that, on average, workers spend more than 20 weeks every year just reading and responding to emails. Keyboard shortcuts can be used in Gmail to speed up how you work with your emails and, more importantly, help you spend less time in your inbox. Shortcuts are not turned on by default in Gmail. You'll have to switch this feature on in Gmail before you can use the shortcuts I'll show you in this guide. Check out the Woggle Guide link in the top right of this guide that explains how to turn on shortcuts in Gmail. So I'm logged into Google and I'm in the Gmail inbox. When I'm reviewing emails, I prefer to read through them individually. To do this, let's first open the latest unread email by pressing the shortcut key O. This opens a full page view of the email. I can navigate through my inbox by pressing the J key to move to older emails, and to look at more recent emails, I'll press the K key to view those mails. In emails which have a lengthy conversation trail like this one, you can use the N key to navigate to the next message in the thread, and the P key will take you back to the previous email in the chain. Responding to email can be just as fast as well. Very simply, if you want to reply to an email directly to the person that sent it to you, just press the R key and a reply window is opened. To reply to everyone in an email thread, press the A key and a reply to all window is opened. You'll have already guessed that to forward on that same email to someone else, you press the F key to open an email window. As well as responding to emails, you may also want to quickly carry out some actions on open emails. To mark an email for later review, press the equal sign key. Gmail confirms that the email is now marked as important. To remove this importance marker, press the minus key. If you want to mark an email as spam, you can quickly do this by using a combination of shortcut keys. Press the Shift and exclamation mark keys together. Gmail opens up a new window that allows you to report that email as spam just by pressing the return key. Or if you wish to unsubscribe from this email list completely, you can click on the other option in this box. If you want to delete the email completely, you can easily do that by pressing the hashtag key. Gmail confirms that the conversation has been moved to the bin or trash folder. If you decide you don't want to delete that email after all, you can undo that action by pressing the Z key. Gmail confirms that the action has been undone. If we go back into an email by pressing the O key again, I'll show you one other shortcut key I regularly use. I like to move important emails in Gmail to labels or folders. If I press the V key on the keyboard, the quick move box is opened. I'll type the name of the folder I want to move it to, and once I'm happy that the correct label has been selected, I'll press the return key to confirm that. Gmail confirms that the conversation has been moved to that folder. Another regular shortcut key I use in the inbox is the / key. If I press that, a cursor immediately appears in the Gmail search box. Now I can quickly search for an email, using the arrow keys to navigate to the email I'm looking for, and I'll press the return key to select it. One final shortcut key to leave you with. If I press Shift and the question mark key together on the keyboard, a full list of all Gmail shortcuts is shown that you can use to quickly reference any key combinations that you're unsure about. I hope you found this Woggle Guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe so that other users can find it too. Thanks for watching.